Hello, Professor Sargent here with you again. Going to add a bit more to this playlist regarding polynomial functions and their graphs. So for one thing, we have found out that if the degree of a polynomial function is n, then the number of x-intercepts will be at most that much. And if the number of turning points, if the degree is n, then the number of turning points is at most one less than the degree. Turning that around, that's if you know the degree. Turning that around, if you have a graph and you've counted up how many x-intercepts and how many turns, then what is the lowest that the degree can be? Now, not much changes in the first one, but if I add one to both sides on the second inequality, let's see here, n would have to be greater than or equal to the number of turns plus 1. So let's take a look at an example of a polynomial function's graph where we don't know what the degree is. And here we go. We have, for as much as we can see here, only 1, 2 x-intercepts. That plus the fact that the n behavior, the far left and far right, the graph is going in the same direction as x approaches negative infinity and as x approaches positive infinity. This is going off in the y direction towards positive infinity on both sides. So we know that this is going to be even degree. It's going to be a positive lead coefficient because it opens up instead of down. And what else? Well, the turning points. Decreasing, 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 decreasing. Kind of flattens out, but still decreasing. Decreasing, decreasing, decreasing right around here. Switches to increasing. So that's 1. Keep on going up, keep going up, keep going up. Increasing, 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 increasing. Kind of flattens out, but keeps on increasing. So we only have 1. Therefore, this polynomial function, we have to compare, let's see here. Since it's even, it's at least going to be 2. So because of the x-intercepts, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. And then based on the number of turning points, same thing in this case. And so the lowest it could be is 2. Actually, since it's not a parabola, clearly, it's similar to a parabola, but it's not a parabola. So this is going to be at least degree 4, but the most we could say, based on what we've been taught, is that it's at least degree 2 and it's even. Now, if you ever get some conflicting information, whichever has the higher starting number, you would have to go with that. Because if you back up, plug it in here, it better match up with both pieces of information. I'm going to do one more video here in just a moment.